Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG version of the Cupcake with Sparkler mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com in any web browser. And then it'll give you a couple of options. We're going to click on Playful Pixlr X. And then click on the Open Image button to open up the mockup. And we'll find the mockup on the computer. And so there's a bunch of different JPEG images, so just choose the one that you want to use. It'll ask us if we want to size the mockup down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply to open up the original size. Now you just need to copy and paste your topper onto this image. To do that, click this bottom icon that says Add Image when you hover over it, and then click Browse to find the image of your topper on your computer. And it's going to ask us if we want to create a new document or add the image to the current document, and we'll click Add Current. And it'll paste it on top just like that for us. If you need to resize it, just hold down the Shift key and click and drag on any one of these four corners. And then just kind of click on the topper until you see the Move tool with four arrows and drag it into place if you need to. And then you can click Save. If you're going to be using this online as a thumbnail, like on a site like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So we'll click this JPG button, and then we'll change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high, and we'll click Download. And it's just going to let us know the image was saved to our default download folder. It'll also give you an option to change the folder where the images get saved. If you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click the Save button again. And then click on PXD and then click Download. And that's all there is to adding your topper to the Cupcake with Sparkler mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.